Okay, so this is a downstream. The plug is round, and the part number for that one is going to be 16268 Bosch. And it's exactly the same what came out. The length of the wire is the same with this part number. There is one that's cheaper, half of the price, but the wire is only like 4 inches long. You're not gonna be able to install it. The sensor itself is the same, the harness is the same, but the wire overall is short. So I returned that one and I went with this model and part number, and it's exactly what I needed. The upstream, it's this one. It has more like a square looking plug, and again it's exactly same what came out. Same amount of holes, same length wire, and the part number for that one is 17242. Upstream oxygen 1, bank 1, and downstream oxygen 1, bank 2. It's this model number. Okay, so the oxygen sensor upstream is right there. It's easy to access, but it's a pain to get to the wiring and the harness to disconnect. So 22 to remove, and this is the replacement. Original 02 from Bosch, and this harness plug is like this, facing down. To get to it, you have to follow the wire that goes behind the engine and the firewall, and to get to it you have to do it from the bottom, to basically lift the car up. Okay, so I fished my wire from the new one back behind the firewall, and the plug is down there. I have to go under the car. Okay, so the harness is right here. This goes through this fork right here. Basically, this little channel clicks in there, and then you connect the car plug harness into that one. So it's hard to record with one hand, especially under the car that's so low. Make it click. Make sure you plug this real good, because I don't want to come under here again. I heard it click. Now this, like I said, sits this way. It slides in there, and then you just push down so it stays in place right there. Everything's plugged in, and in case you need to replace the downstream, it's really easy. Plug is right here. You disconnect that, it's untwist, and it follows across, and it goes right there, and the oxygen is basically right here. So this one's easy. Everything's done from the bottom. I do have two, and I'm gonna replace this one as well, because I really don't want to come back underneath this car, especially in December, New England weather. untwist. I need both hands. So okay. So 22. Take it off. Put the new one in. The clips. And this plug can only go one way. It has that cut on the other side, and it has a cut in here. So it only goes one way. In. And then it clicks into place. You have one lock tab on this side and one on the other side. And when you complete, it's clicked in. This hooks up there, and it basically hangs under the oil drain plug like that.